Hello, in this video, we will introduce canvas. You can use the canvas widget to display shapes. You can use the methods create rectangle, create oval, create arc, create polygon, or create line to draw a rectangle, an oval, arc, polygon, or line on a canvas. For example, this is the canvas right here. We can use the button here, click rectangle, draw a rectangle, click over, draw over, click arc, draw arc. So let's write this program now. So here we're gonna have this canvas placed inside the window, and we use the pack manager for this. We create a frame, put all the buttons inside the frame. So those are the buttons for the rectangle, oval, arc, polygon, line, string, and this is the clear. So all of this, put all this in a grid layout. So this is one row, and so the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, for this button here, this is rectangle. So we are going to have this command is display rectangle. So this is display rectangle. And this rectangle, we're going to display this is using the canvas. So here's the canvas dot create rectangle. This is the rectangles, the upper left corner location. This is the XY coordinate. This is the canvas width, and here's the height. So we give this name here is the tag. So this is to identify the rectangle. So look at this, the canvas, we have this canvas created. So this is self.canvas. So this is a data field. So this is self.canvas, and here display over, self.canvas.create and over. So this is the bounding rectangle. So let's look at the all the shapes here. So when you draw the shapes here, so this is the coordinate system. On the upper left, this is the starting location is 0, 0, and the x increases to the right and y increases downward. So this is the TK inter coordinate system. This is most of the graphic user interface. This is using this coordinate system. And so this is the conventional coordinate system. So please note in the conventional coordinate system is 0, 0 is right here in the center. So, but for the TK inter, it's right here. So also please note that when we use the total module, and this for the graphics, the center is right in the center of the screen. So now look at the rectangle here. So this is the method create rectangle. So this is the XY, and right here, the upper left corner, and this is, so look here is the bottom right location. So that is right here, bottom right, okay? And for this, the oval. So what you need to specify is upper left and bottom right. And for this arc, so it's a bounding rectangle, and inside you draw this oval, but it's partial oval. This is the arc. So this is the upper left corner and bottom right. This is draw a line. This is draw a polygon, so you have all the points. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So this, you're gonna draw a text at this specified location right here. This xy is the center of the text. So that is all. And look at what we do for this when you display a rectangle. So that's a rectangle here. When you draw this over, so here over, we're gonna fill with red, and the arc. So this arc is filled with red. So this is the rectangle here, the location, the bounding rectangle, and now we have a start, extent, and this, the width is 8. So look at this is the arc here. So where are you gonna start? And the extent, so that is the degree over there. Okay. So finally, let's look at the clear. So when you do clear, use this, you delete all these shapes identified using the tags. That is all for this video on canvas. See you on the next video.